Teddy Burris, and here's a video showing you what I'm referring to. So I'm going to go in Sales Navigator. I just hit the white IN. I'm going to go to Advanced, Search for Leads. Under Search for Leads, I'm going to put under Geography, Greensboro, Winston-Salem. That's what I put. Relationship, I'm going to put first level. Actually, let me use second level. I'll put second level. And then under industry, I'm going to put telecommunications. Okay, so I got 1,637 results right there. I hit search. Okay, it's 1,637, 1.6K. 1,637 is the number of results that this brought back in Sales Navigator. And my filters are very clearly Greensboro, Winston-Salem, second connection, telecommunications. That's all I've got. Now, watch when I go to LinkedIn. From the home page of LinkedIn, I'm going to click on the looking glass. I'm going to go over to the right. I'll just go straight to people. I'm going to go to second level. I'm going to go to location, Greensboro, Winston-Salem. I'm going to go to industry. I'm going to hit add telecommunications. 850 is the results right there, 850. Versus in Sales Navigator, it's 1,607 or something like that, 1.6. It's way different number. Again, right here, 850, second level Greensboro telecommunications. In Sales Navigator, it's 1.6 thousand, almost double. Again, Greensboro, second level telecommunications. So view all filters right there. Tell it exactly the same thing. Why is it different? Now, by the way, I'm going to do one more. I'm going to clear this all out. Go back home. I'm going to go to Advanced, Search for Leads. And I'm just going to do second level. Second level. 2,547,000. Go to LinkedIn. Clear all. Go to second level. 406,000. This is what I'm talking about, Rob. Hey. Now we're absolutely fine. Stop.